Behind the scenes of all of this TikTok version as well, but I dyed this earlier today. What's up, y'all? It's your favorite artist, Art by Char, back again, making a difference one brushstroke at a time. Y'all already know the vibes. I'm bringing y'all with me behind the strokes, aka behind the scenes, but y'all know I like to go behind the camera, show y'all a little bit of my creative process. In this mini vlog in particular, we making some custom pieces and getting ready for some content photo shoots that I got coming up this month. Super excited. I know y'all gonna love these pieces. They will be for sale also at the ABC Gallery on Instagram, so make sure y'all tap in and shop there so you can get all your influencer inspired apparel. Okay, I ain't even about to talk y'all ears off or nothing, because like I said, I want y'all to just enjoy the creative process with me behind the scenes, or as I like to call it, behind the strokes. So we gonna get right into it. Y'all see I just made this two-piece mink fur combination, two-piece bra and thong or panty set. I just made that. Like I said, all of this is going to be incorporated into an upcoming photo shoot. So now in these next following scenes, y'all see where I started making my plushie Y2K thigh-high boots inspired by the city girls. And of course, if you know me, then you already know, like, I need these. I needed them so bad that I literally had to hit up as many vendors as I could and stock up on plushies just for myself, okay? All orders and all that aside, like, I needed these for myself, period. So yeah, enough of my rambling. Like I said, just want y'all to catch the vibes. I will tap back in later towards the end of the video. Make sure y'all click the link in the description box to tap into all my social medias so you can catch one of my lives when I'm being creative in, real time. Make sure y'all follow me at Charonthestixs on Instagram and TikTok, at buyartbychar on Facebook and Instagram. The first buy spelled B-U-I, that's my art page. And then shop at the ABC Gallery on Instagram for all your plushie desires, okay? I'm talking about the thigh-high boots is on there, the plushie Yzzy slides is on there, and the plushie slippers is on there as well. Also, coming soon, I will be dropping even more plushie, little accessories and other trinkets that'll just be cute and fun to accessorize and add to your Y2K collection. And for those who are trying to keep up with the latest influencer and all the hottest pieces, you most definitely will thank me later, okay? And real quick before I go, get into it. Yeah, that's one completed plushie thigh high. Y'all see me modeling it off, showing y'all, hold on. I said, hold on, get into the purse. Yeah, like I said, lots of different plushie pieces will be dropping at the ABC Gallery on Instagram. All types of different plushie footwear, as well as accessories and all things of that nature. So just tap in, you feel me? Shop with your favorite artists at buyartbychar. And I know I said I wasn't gonna talk y'all ear off, and y'all probably like, girl, you done said something about this whole thing, like that. But really, I'm about to let y'all go. Please enjoy the rest of the vibes. Y'all know how I am, spreading light, spreading good energy. That's it, nothing more, nothing less. Okay, and like I said, I wasn't going to talk y'all ear off during this entire mini vlog or the DIY process, but I did want to hop on here because this part is going to be just a little bit tedious. But I'm just placing with the hot glue gun. I can't stress it enough, like I said on my little text that was popping up throughout the mini vlog. This hot glue gun method is just for placement. I highly, highly recommend you run your pieces under a sewing machine or hand sew them so that they can stay put. And then when it comes to cleaning and washing them, you're all set. You don't have to worry about losing any plushies in your day-to-day activities and, all that good stuff. And of course, if you don't feel like worrying about all of that or dealing with that, then shop at the ABC Gallery on Instagram and get all your plushie needs straight from your favorite artist, by Art by Char. Also on Instagram, the first buy spelled B-U-I. Y'all tap in, let me do all the customs for you, period. It's your favorite artist, Art by Char, back again, making a difference one brush up at a time. Thank y'all if you made it this far. You're a real one, period. This gonna be part of the mini bar where I tell y'all to make sure y'all follow me on TikTok at Charonthestixs, okay? Because I be going live and having a lot of fun, different interactions with my friends up on there, okay, period.